What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning PHP. My name is QDSDani and you guys watching my channel Crywood. Alright, so if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so because and support us. And in this video we're gonna show you guys what is the do while loop. And the while loop runs if I told you guys that if the condition is false, it won't run. But to do the difference between while loop and do while loop, the do while loop, even if the condition is false, it's going to run at least once. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna copy everything here. We're gonna close all our files here, and we're gonna put a new file and we're gonna save it. Do while loop. Okay, we forgot to put a PHP. We put a rename. We put a PHP, and then we're gonna copy everything, and this one we're gonna remove. Okay, so the do while loop, and the do while loop is the same as while loop, and the only difference is the condition is checked after running the block of code instead of say before that. So while loop started with the false condition, never run. So as we show you guys, if the while loop evaluates to false, the while loop won't even run once. And the difference is even if the while loop evaluates to false, the do while loop run at least once. Alright, so why it runs at least once? I'm going to show you guys why. While loop repeats the code while given condition is true. Alright, so the while loop, the do while loop run at least once. It checks the condition, so it runs at least once. Even if the condition is false, it runs. So if you guys come here, so say we do we're gonna come here in our comment here, the do while loop. So you guys gonna do the syntax is what happens that before while is gonna be do. So this is a do, and then the while, and inside the while is condition. Alright, so even if the condition is false, it runs because of this code here, because we are instructing the computer to do it, and when the computer whatever obeys our command, and in here we're going to check, then we check the condition. So if the condition false, it terminates. Otherwise, because it's already done once, so that's the condition of the while loop. It's very useful for you guys, the do while loop, because you guys, if sometime in the conditions you guys want to run at least your condition once, it runs. So it comes here, you guys just add do here, and when you guys put a do, say you guys have your A or X, Y, Z, you guys can put anything here. You guys can put A, B, C, X, Y, Z, Crywood, whatever you guys want to put it. So you guys come here, and you guys can put your this one here. Then because we're gonna put the condition false there. So the way we put our counting, and our counting is gonna increment. So we're gonna echo, and our counting is gonna increment here, and while, and we're gonna put it while this one is less than say 20, or you guys can put 15 for whatever. Alright, because it's going to run this program, and then it's going to check the condition. Alright, so you guys don't need this one because there's nothing, we don't put anything inside the body. You guys can put even like this, the way I type it. You guys can just put this one. So we're going to run our do while loop. We're going to see, so we're going to go back, and we're going to refresh, and we're going to see do while loop. So the do while loop runs at least once, even if the while there's a typo here, don't worry about that. Evaluates to false. The do while loop run at least once. Even if that's you guys put a false, but before, if you guys seen that my previous video, I put the while loop false and it didn't run because I changed that to say 100, my starting point, my variable, and it didn't run. It terminates. But if you guys put it inside the do while loop, it's gonna run at least once because it ran all the way here. It didn't put a 15 because this condition is, look at here, this condition is less than, so we didn't want this condition to put this 15 inside. So this is a while loop, do while loop, because do while loop run at least once. If you guys look at here, so this is a do while loop, and it's very, if you guys see from time to time inside programs inside the PHP, you guys encountered this do while loop. So when you see the do while loop, even if you guys see this condition is false, whatever here, it's going to run at least once. This is the top, this code is going to execute and it's going to run at least once. So you guys remember this, and this is a do while loop. Alright guys, this is for this video, and the next video we're gonna show you guys what is for loop. So if you guys got any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.